With Valentine's Day just around the corner, it's time to make heart-inspired earrings. So to make these earrings, I'm going to have a bead frame, a 4mm bead, a bead cap, a 6mm bead, another bead cap, and another 4mm bead. And it all gets slid onto this head pin and attached to this clamshell ear wire. So I'm going to grab my head pin. I'm going to slide my head pin onto there. I'm going to slide on my 4mm bead, one bead cap, the 6mm bead, there we go, the other bead cap, the 4mm bead, there. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide this head pin down and get up to the bottom of the bead frame. And I'm going to slide it up through the hole and fold over my head pin. Take my wire cutters, cut it right about there, and my round nose pliers. And I'm going to take it and kind of turn so I can get in between this little ridge here in the heart, so I get a nice round loop. So I'm going to take my ear wire, I'm going to take a chain nose pliers and slide it open, and just slide on my head pin and just gently pull it back so we have a nice closure. And there we have it, a pair of Valentine's earrings. To find this design and others, visit us at firemountaingems.com.